In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Presenter View in Microsoft Teams. Presenter View is designed to make presenting smoother and more confident. It lets your audience see only your slide, while you see your speaker notes, a thumbnail strip of all slides, and a preview of what's coming next. Here's how to get set up and what to expect as you present. First, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in your browser and sign in. From the left sidebar, choose the Meet option to get to your meetings. Join a scheduled meeting or enter a meeting you've already started. Take a quick moment on the pre-join screen to make sure your microphone and camera look good so you don't have to adjust them later. Once you're in the meeting, look for the Share button in the meeting controls. It looks like a rectangle with an upward arrow. Selecting this opens the Share Content panel, which is where you choose exactly what to show your audience. In the Share Content panel, locate your PowerPoint under the PowerPoint Live section. This is important because PowerPoint Live is what enables Presenter View inside Teams. Click your presentation and then confirm Share. Teams will load your deck and immediately place you in Presenter View without exposing your desktop or any other windows. You'll now see your current slide large in the center. On the right, or sometimes below, depending on your layout, you'll see your speaker notes, only visible to you. Along the bottom or side, there's a strip of slide thumbnails so you can jump around if you need to. You'll also notice a next slide preview and a timer that helps you keep track of your pace. Your audience will only see the current slide, not your notes or the thumbnails. As you talk, advance through slides using the arrows on screen or by selecting any thumbnail. If you need to revisit a previous point, you can navigate directly to that slide from the thumbnail strip without your audience seeing you rummage around. Keep your notes concise and readable so your eyes can quickly scan them while maintaining eye contact with the camera. If your slides include animations or builds, Presenter View will handle them as you advance. Just move forward as you normally would. That's all there is to it. By opening Teams, joining your meeting, selecting Share, choosing Share Content, picking your PowerPoint, and confirming Share, you unlock Presenter View and get a polished, distraction-free presenting experience for your audience while keeping all your presenter tools at your fingertips.